Hey there, welcome to Mobezium. Today we are here to review on the device the Eureka Black. Micromax's subsidiary company U is back with its new budget phone, the Eureka Black. This phone is exclusively available to buy from Flipkart, and yes, it is priced very aggressively to compete with its Xiaomi Redmi Note 4. So can it take the crown of the best budget phone? Let's find it in our review. Comparing the Eureka Black with Redmi Note 4 would actually make sense because Xiaomi phones are creating a lot of buzz from its flash sale, which is available only online. And the same can be said for the used lineup as we look at the history of the Eureka phone. Now both the phones are priced at roughly the same price. The price of the Eureka Black is 9,000, which gives us 4GB RAM with 32GB internal storage, while the Redmi Note 4 is approximated at 10,000, which gives only 2GB RAM with 32GB internal storage. So yes, if you buy Eureka Black phone, you would get more RAM. Now the phone is just beautifully sheen black design. So in terms of the design, when compared to its peers, Eureka Black actually looks better than the Redmi 4A and all the latest Moto C series new budget phones. So yes, the Eureka Black sports all black design and it is so into the black that it is available in two black variants. The chrome black, which we have with us right now, adds a high glossy finish, while the matte black adds a grungy and earthy feeling to it. Now the smartphone also features a metallic body which does look premium and strong from all the sides. Now talking of the front of this phone, the smartphone has a 5-inch Full HD resolution and the screen is protected with 2.5D Gorilla Glass 3. While the side bezels are thin, the top and the bottom bezels are thick. The home button is at the bottom, which works as a fingerprint reader, and there are no capacitive keys anymore. The home button, it doesn't support for the swipe gestures. So yes, the only option which we are left is to use the on-screen navigation keys. The back of the phone is curved and the silver antenna line gives the phone a superior quality look. The phone feels lighter and it perfectly fits in the hand due to its compact size. The major advantage of the compact size is that the screen with Full HD resolution looks very sharp due to its high density PPI of 441. This is the same pixel density as we get in the Google Pixel smartphone. Now the power button and the volume rocker keys are on the right of the phone, while the hybrid SIM slot is on the left of the phone. The headphone jack is placed at the top, while the micro USB is at the bottom along with the loudspeakers. Now as we can see, there are two speaker grills on either side of the USB port, but amongst that only one is the speaker while the other is the microphone. In the camera segment, we found that it is actually better than the Redmi 4. Now this phone has 13 megapixel rear camera which can record full HD videos at 30 fps. And the photos are sufficiently good, but if you compare it with its competitor phones within this price range, you would be a bit disappointed because those phones are capable of capturing better pictures. Now the front camera is of 8 megapixel and it has a selfie flash along with it. The camera provides various shooting modes like the beauty mode, the wide selfie, HDR, and also the smile shot. Now the only thing which I don't like of this phone is that it's slower shutter speed. The photos are noisy and the motion blurred. Coming to the hardware specifications, the Eureka Black runs on Snapdragon 430 processor, which is not very fast as we have expected to be in such a good looking phone. But there is no noticeable lag during gaming or during day-to-day work. We have tried playing high-end graphic games like Asphalt 8 with maximum graphic settings and noticed no lag or heating issues during the gameplay. The Eureka Black is packing massive 4GB of RAM, so that it sorts any lag issues to some extent. The storage option is flexible in this phone as it comes with its 32GB internal storage and it is expandable up to 64GB via the hybrid SD slot. There is no bigger storage option available as of now. Talking of the battery, the Eureka has a decent battery size of 3000 mAh and it takes less time to charge it completely. So this phone can last up to a day or two if you're not a heavy phone user, or you may want to find a charger in the middle of the day. So according to our usage experience, this phone lasted a day on 50% charge with normal usage. So yes, this phone packs a small battery size, but it lasts longer due to its better performance management and no heating issues. The Eureka Black comes with a simple UI, and this phone runs on Android Marshmallow 6.0.1 out of the box. There are some under the hood improvements done by Micromax, as it supports smart actions and gestures like wake or lock on double tap of the screen. The rumors say that the Nougat update for this phone is in test phase, which is relieving for now. Claims are being made that it is a copy phone, but so what? Overall, Eureka Black is a complete package, since it is available to buy to everyone, for everyone, unlike some other phones like Redmi Note 4, which are just available only on online flash sale. So yes, we have to agree that yes, it is a win over them. Performance wise, this is not the phone you want to purchase, but yes, if you're looking for an upgrade with a pocket of budget size, then you can definitely try this one. I'm Ruchi from our studio in Mumbai, and for more details log on to our website mobizium.com. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, leave a comment if you're planning to buy this phone, and do subscribe if you want to see more review videos. Thank you.